Okay, let's take a look at a Google document that's been linked in Google Earth. And on place marker 6, I've got a link to a document. I'll click on it, and it throws my document from Google Applications and Education right into the browser window of Google Earth. So let's see how we did that. I'm going to minimize that. And I'm in an old school account from Botetourt County where I worked. And I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go Drive. And there's a couple ways that we can do this. I'm going to find that document that you just saw linked, and it had to do with the Black Death. And it should pop up right here as one of the recent documents that I've accessed. Right here we go. Takes a minute to pull this in. It's all loading my stuff. So come on now. Here we go. I'm in the wrong account. Let's go right here to get rid of that one. Get into this one. All right. My drive. This has been an indispensable improvement in instructional technology. Any application that allows you to share, collaborate, work cooperatively and collaboratively with people online is a vast improvement on the kinds of file sharing that existed, say, 11 or 12 years ago. This was one of the best developments in teaching that I had my last year of teaching. So, okay, so we are going to pull in one of the documents, and I should have quick access to the one that I just did, and there it is. I'm going to open it up, and there's a couple of ways that you can get a link to share this, but the most important thing about any Google document, whether it's a presentation or a spreadsheet or just a plain old Word document or a set of drawings, there's lots of applications, is who you're going to share it with, right? So I'm going to put right here, and as soon as the sharing button comes up, I'm going to ask it to, here we go, and let's get our sharing settings loaded. 1001, 1002, 1003. Come on and talk to me here. All right, so I have this set up that anyone on the internet can find it and view it. And let me show you a little bit about those settings. And below this setting, you can see here's the link to the document. But in Google Docs, you have a whole set of possibilities where you can share them. And I've got this set on public on the web. So theoretically, anybody who was looking for something like this could search the web for it and find it. So I'm going to hit save, and I can do copy link, and that would be the link that I paste into Google Earth. Now I'm going to click done on that. Let me show you the other way you can do this. If you go to File and you say Publish to the Web, you also get a link right here and an embed code. Now the embed code seems to work for Google Docs, but they don't look the way you would think. So I'm just going to tell it we're going to copy a link, which should be the same link that we used in the other instance of sharing. Go up to Google Earth and let's see how we do that. I'll create another place marker, and I'll call it Google Doc just to show you, and just add a link and OK, and click OK. Now in my new place marker, I have a link to a Google document, and that should pull that right into the web browser. And if this happens, this is my old browser, so it's not working. I'm going to tell that to go away, and I'm going to go up here and just say open it in Google Chrome. All right, it still gives me Google Earth as the starting point, and Google Earth is still here. If I go down, I can pull up Google Earth. And there's some advantages to having the document open up in a web browser outside Google Earth, because you don't have to work within Google Earth. In fact, a lot of times it's a big advantage to do that. So there's Google Earth. There was the place marker where the document was linked. It was also linked here. This is the place marker you had for your assignment. And we then told it just open it up in a web browser. This has hyperlinks within the document. So from here, once I got the main document in Google Earth, the links within this document go to other documents that I have for the particular assignment. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's minimize that.